your kingdom here. Let the...
Hey Student Life, I am so excited to share with you where we are going to be going this summer to go be the hands and feet of Jesus, to love, to serve, to be salt and light for the cause of Christ. And so before I tell you the name of our location, I wanted to tell you just some facts about where we're going to be going this summer. Firstly, I wanted to tell you about this city that we're going to. Over 38% of people in this city live below the poverty level. This is what this means. That over 38% of families down there don't make enough money just to meet the necessities of life, whether it be food, shelter, clothing. All right, so think about that. Over a third of the families in this city can't make ends meet. Secondly, what I want to tell you is that there is a lot of relational need in this area. There is a lot of spiritual need in this area. This city was known just a few years ago. One of their local high schools was known as having one of the highest teen pregnancy rates in the country. Okay? And thirdly, I want to tell you this. One of the ministries that we're going to be partnering with, there is so much need in the city that one of the ministries that we're partnering with, over 300 families need help on their homes. That means many of these families live in homes that are unsafe to even live in, but they live in them anyways because they don't have money to move anywhere else. And here's the craziest thing out of all of this. This city is only an hour away from Avon, Ohio. Think about that. It's only an hour away from where you and I live. That over 38% of families can't make ends meet. I'm talking about Canton, Ohio. Now, when you hear Canton, Ohio, there's a couple things I'm sure you're thinking. One, you're thinking, why are we driving only an hour away for a mission trip? And two, what you're probably thinking, Canton, Ohio, isn't that where the Pro Football Hall of Fame is? Yes, that's usually the first thing that comes to mind when people mention Canton, Ohio. The other thing is that LeBron James grew up only about 15, 20 minutes north of there in Akron. But here's the thing, if you and I, if we're going to take seriously the call of Jesus Christ on our lives to be living stones, to go represent the kingdom to those who are needy, to those who are poor, to those who need reconciliation with God the Father, if we're going to take that seriously, and then that we're going to know that only an hour south on the highway are tons of people who need our help, who need us to be salt and light, who need us to love our neighbor, how can we then say no? How can we say we're going to ignore that need? And so, students and parents, I want you to begin praying now about your role and how we're going to come together as the body of Christ to go meet physical needs, relational needs, and ultimately spiritual needs of those who need Christ. All right, so you're probably thinking, all right, Chris, we can tell you're excited. Give us more details. Well, here's what I can tell you. June 28th to July 4th is when we're going to be going down to Canton, Ohio. So make sure you mark those dates in your calendar. And then please be checking your email and onestudentlife.com. We're going to have more details for you guys as far as the application process, costs, fundraising, team trainings, what types of things we're going to be doing. So we're going to have more details for you guys very soon. And then we're also going to have some really fun videos for you guys in which some of our students who have gone on trips in the past, they're going to share about how God has used them in serving over the past couple of years and how excited they are for this summer. So June 28th to July 4th, start getting excited, start praying for how God is going to use you this summer, and we're going to go be the hands and feet of Jesus in Canton together.